This is the December 3rd, 2011 Math SAT question of the day. In the xy plane, line L is perpendicular to the graph of the function f of x equals 5x minus 2. So this function f has a slope equal to 5 and has a y-intercept of minus 2. Line L, I'll draw my L like this, so this is like L. L is perpendicular, we draw it like this, to f of x if the slope of L is equal to minus 1 over the slope of f of x, in this case 5. So minus 1 over 5 has to be the slope of L. I'm predicting it's going to be this answer here. But let's just plot them all and make sure we understand the graphs of each of these. And we'll see it pretty obvious which one is the right answer. So let's do this. F of x equals 5x minus 2. I'm using a program here called Fluid Math from Fluidity Software. Okay. So that's the line of f of x. That's the one that I'm trying to get perpendicular to. So let's do the first one. G of x is equal to minus 5 times x. Minus 5 times x. Let's try this. Minus 5 times x. Okay, plot that one. Okay, so the slope of that graph is minus 5. But it's not enough just to say that the slope is negative, because those two lines aren't perpendicular. They don't meet at a right angle. So let's try the answer that I think is the right one. G of x equals minus 1/5 times x. Plot that one. The green line looks like it meets the red line perpendicular at a right angle. Well, let's check the last three answers. G of x is equal to x minus 2. Well, you know the slope of that line is 1. That line isn't perpendicular. The black line isn't perpendicular to the red line. Try the next one. G of x equals 1/5 times x. 1/5 times x. Okay. Is it enough just to take the slope and take 1 over that slope? Well, orange doesn't intersect the red line at 90 degrees. And let's check our last answer. G of x equals 5 times x. Okay, so that line, the gray line in this case, is parallel to the red line. That makes sense because the slope is the same, 5x minus 2 and 5x. So the answer is G of x, 1 over the negative slope of f of x. B is the answer.